Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Saeco Italia espresso machine. Now for this machine we did a tune-up and we replaced the two-way valve. This one you see right here. The two-way valve was leaking water through the steamer one and it was not letting the machine be idle, and it was just leaking a lot of water. So for this machine we did a tune-up. We deep cleaned the brew unit, cleaned the grinder, did the descaling cycle as well as the cleaning cycle on the spouts and the brew unit itself. We also replaced some of the O-rings, and of course we did replace the two-way valve of this machine. As you can see, there's a little bit of scale build-up as well on some of these valves, so that scale descaler that we did on this machine definitely helped. Police for that. I didn't use a lot of coffee as I should have done.
Most people will, want a full double shot in their drink, so you wouldn't really need to do it once. But you can, some of these have double, like this one is double shot. Can't remember if this comes with two portfolios, one is full double. Is this brand zero? This is Stone, which is something with rocket.
And now as you can see, we're having a nice steady stream coming out of the machine. Looking great. 1 ounce, as we only told the machine to do 1 espresso, and that is a perfect quantity. As you can see, 1 ounce of liquid as well. No water was coming out while we were brewing or anything like that. And now we're going to be testing the hot water. We're going to have to get the steamer, the thermoblock, to get up to temperature. Once it does, the thermoblock will start pushing water through the system and then out through the new two-way valve that we installed in the machine, and then it will just start pouring through the one as you see. As you can see, two-way valve definitely working perfectly. We stopped it. There's no any extra leak or anything like that. We're gonna use the milk frother. We do not have the little pinarello that attaches in here, but we'll still be able to see the steam coming out from the steamer one once the thermoblock reaches that temperature. We're gonna see a little bit of water spilling out through the one as we just recently used the hot water function. There you go, and then the steam. And as you can see, steady steam coming out of the one. Working excellent, working perfectly. So there you have it, Saeco Italia working once again and ready to brew. Thank you so much for preparing Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Hit that like, hit the bell, and thanks for watching.